So, first question is, a periodic function can be expressed Fourier series form, right? That is f of x is equal to sigma n is equal to 0 to infinity an cos nx plus bn sin nx. The functions, which function we are going to represent? First function is cos square x, second function is sin square x, right? Expanded. So, by expansion, if the coefficient of the first series, say for this function, say represent an1 and bn1, and for the second function an2 and bn2, right? Now, which of the following is correct, right? So, any function we can represent in the format a0 by 2, but a0 by 2, the constant term missing here, but any function we can represent, a periodic function we can represent as an cos nx plus bn sin nx, right? So, out of that, if I represent this function and this function using this method, then what is this coefficient value, right? That only asking, right? Now, look here, see, first function what? f1 of x is equal to cos square x. Cos square x I can write as 1 plus cos 2x divided by 2 by trigonometric relation. That is 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 cos 2x. Am I right? Then this 1 by 2, look here, an cos nx format. See, an cos nx format. Then what is an? an1 is equal to 1 by 2. Alright? Now, second function you think this is sin square x. This I can write as 1 minus cos 2x divided by 2. Right? Then this I can write as 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 cos 2x. Again, it is an cos nx term, an cos nx term. Then cos nx coefficient is minus 1 by 2. Then I can write as an2 is equal to minus 1 by 2. But in both cases, sin nx term is missing. Then bn is equal to 0. Then which is correct option? See, this first a coefficient is 1 by 2, second a coefficient is minus 1 by 2, right? So, this is this and this is true. Now, here what? Here b is existing. So, this is not correct. Here also b value existing, not correct. Here also b value existing, not correct, right? So, option C is correct, right?